I've been getting some comments about how I installed the fog lights and if I have them working now. They are working, and this is just an update to show you guys how I did it. So this video is way overdue, but under the steering wheel right here, this is your closed box relay, and so the fog light relay is behind this, so you're gonna have to take this out, the plastic cover underneath the dash, and it's back here. You're just gonna have to feel it out by hand. There's diagrams on Google that will show you exactly where, and that should help you be able to install the relay. And then before, I thought I had to put that one switch that goes right here on the dash. You don't need that. I got a limited edition switch, or I got one of those 2000 to 2007 Toyota Sequoias limited edition version light switches. That's from the headlights, and this one has the auto setting and the fog light switch. The old one that I had before didn't have this. So let's turn it on. Here are the lights. Lights are working. No fog lights on because the fog light switch hasn't been turned on yet. So this is the fog light switch. See, now they're on. See? So this little switch right here on the headlamp switch as well connects everything together. So you're gonna need that, the relay, and mine already had the pre-wiring for the lamps underneath the truck. So if you have all that, you should be ready to go. I don't know if other people are having problems, but that's how I solved my issue.